Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on two special lines. This video will look at two special line graphs that exist on the number plane. One of these lines is parallel to the x-axis and the other one is parallel to the y-axis. Consider the line x equals n. The graph of this line is as follows. Basically, x equals n means that the line is n units to the right of the y-axis. In other words, it crosses the x-axis at n0. So because it's n units to the right of the y-axis, it is parallel to the y-axis. So x equals n is n units to the right of the y-axis, which means it is parallel to the y-axis and it crosses the x-axis at the point n0. As well, consider the line y equals n. The graph of this line is as follows. Y equals n is n units away from the x-axis, so it crosses the y-axis at the point 0, n. Because it is n units away from the x-axis, it is parallel to the x-axis. And that's why they're called two special lines, because each of these lines is parallel firstly to the y-axis and to the x-axis. Let's have a look at some examples. Graph each of the following lines on the number plane. X equals 4. X equals 4 means it goes through the point, it goes through 4, 0. It means that the line is 4 units away from the y-axis. So it cuts the x-axis at the point 4, 0. So here we have x equals 4. Over here we have y equals 3, which means that it intersects the y-axis at the point 3, 0. So that line is parallel to the x-axis. So this video has introduced us to two very special lines. One of them is parallel to the y-axis, and we've seen the equation of such a line, and the other line is parallel to the x-axis.